फॉरेन इन्वेशन के बारे में। पहला कहता है कि द तुर्किश रूलर हु अटैक्ड इंडिया विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ प्लंडरिंग इन 1398 वाज तैमूर लंग। तैमूर लंग जो है एक तुर्किश रूलर था जिसने अटैक किया था भारत में 1398 में। एन इन्फ्लुएंशियल ट्राइब इन पंजाब ड्यूरिंग द 13th एंड 14th सेंचुरी वाज खोखर। खोखर द बैटल ऑफ चंदवार जो कि 1194 में लड़ा गया था, दिस वाज फॉट बिटवीन मोहम्मद गोरी एंड जयचंद। जयचंद इसमें हार गया था। कन्नौज किंग, कन्नौज किंग जो है जयचंद बिलोंग टू द गढ़वाल डायनेस्टी। कौन से डायनेस्टी से बिलोंग करता है? गढ़वाल डायनेस्टी से। द अरब इन्वेशन ऑफ इंडिया जो कि 712 एडी में हुआ था, दिस वाज लेड बाय मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। इट वाज लेड बाय मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। पृथ्वीराज चौहान इन द सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन इन 1192 वाज डिफीटेड बाय मोहम्मद गोरी। ठीक है, पृथ्वीराज चौहान जो है हार गए थे बैटल ऑफ तराइन में 1992 में। नेक्स्ट देखिए, कहता है कि किताब अल हिंद वाज रिटन बाय अल बरूनी इन विच लैंग्वेज? अरेबिक लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने लिखा था। किताब अल हिंद जो है किस लैंग्वेज में अल बरूनी ने लिखा था? अरेबिक लैंग्वेज में। द फेमस स्कॉलर अल बरूनी रोट मेनली इन विच लैंग्वेज? तो ये भी अरेबिक लैंग्वेज में लिखा था। पृथ्वीराज चौहान इन द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन इन 1191 किसको डिफीट किया था? मोहम्मद गोरी को हरा दिया था और 1992 में हार गए थे। फर्स्ट इन्वेशन ऑफ मोहम्मद गोरी वाज इन मुल्तान इन 1175। पहला जो है मोहम्मद गोरी का 1175 में मुल्तान में अटैक हुआ था। तैमूर invasion Taimur's invasion of Delhi took place in 1398. The last invasion of मोहम्मद गजनी की बात की जा रही है, गोरी की नहीं। आउटसाइड पंजाब वह सोमनाथ टेम्पल जिसमें बहुत सारा सोना लूटा था 1025 एडी में। द बैटल ऑफ चंदवार जो कि 1194 में लड़ा गया था, ये जयचंद और मोहम्मद गोरी के बीच में हुआ था। नादिर शाह ने आक्रमण किया था भारत पे, कब किया था? 1739 एडी में किया था। द चंदेल किंग हु फेस्ड महमूद गजनबी वाज विद्याधर। चंदेल किंग जिसने महमूद गजनबी के से जो है लड़ाई लड़ी वाज विद्याधर। महमूद गजनी अटैक्ड गुजरात एंड प्लंडर्ड द सोमनाथ। सोमनाथ को लूटा 1025 में। सोमनाथ टेम्पल इन गुजरात वाज अटैक्ड एंड लूटेड इन 1025 बाय महमूद गजनी। इन द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन जो कि 1191 में हुआ था, पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने हरा दिया था मोहम्मद गोरी को, दूसरे में हारे थे। पृथ्वीराज चौहान वाज डिफीटेड बाय मोहम्मद गोरी इन द सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन 1192 में। द थर्ड बैटल ऑफ तराइन वाज फॉट बिटवीन इल्तुतमिश एंड ताजुद्दीन। ये 1216 में हुआ था, थर्ड बैटल ऑफ तराइन इल्तुतमिश और ताजुद्दीन के बीच में। महमूद ऑफ गजनी वाज कंटेम्प्रोरी ऑफ राजेंद्र वन जो कि चोल किंगडम का शासक था। अल बरूनी जो कि एक पर्शियन स्कॉलर था, ये कंपनीड एन इन्वेडर फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान टू इंडिया। इसका नाम है महमूद गजनवी। इसकी कहानी है कि ये जो उज्बेकिस्तान का एक निवासी था अल बरूनी, और जब महमूद गजनवी ने उज्बेकिस्तान पे हमला किया था और जीत लिया था, तो अल बरूनी जो है उसको काफ़ी पसंद आया क्योंकि वो एक बहुत अच्छा स्कॉलर था, तो उसको अपने साथ ले आया था महमूद गजनवी। बैटल ऑफ चेंज द कलर कीप द कलर्स बट आस्क मी अगेन डू नॉट शो दिस मैसेज। ठीक है, बैटल ऑफ पेशावर जो कि 1001 में हुआ था, दिस वाज फॉट बिटवीन राजा जयपाल और महमूद गजनवी के बीच में हुआ था। गजनी अल मशूदी ने भारत में विजिट किया था, कब किया था? तो 10वीं सेंचुरी एडी में विजिट किया था। सुलेमान अल ताजीरी जो है इंडिया में विजिट किया था 9th सेंचुरी में पाल डायनेस्टी के समय में। मंगोल रूलर चंगेज खान जो है, इसकी मृत्यु कब हुई थी? इसकी मृत्यु हुई थी 1227 एडी में। सुल्तान महमूद जो कि इंडिया आया था, ये कहाँ से आया था? तो ये गजनी से आया था जो कि अफगानिस्तान में पड़ता है। चंगेज खान ने इन्वेड किया था ट्रांसोजियाना को नॉर्थ ईस्ट ईरान में 1219 में। जोरोस्टर जो था, इट वाज एन ईरानियन प्रोफेट। पुर्तगीज ने बिल्ट किया था फर्स्ट यूरोपियन फोर्ट, कहाँ पे? भारत में। कब किया था? तो 1503 में किया था। मोहम्मद बिन कासिम ने इन्वेड किया था भारत में, कब किया था? 1712 में किया था, 712 एडी में। पीकॉक थ्रोन एंड कोहिनूर डायमंड वेर टेकन अवे फ्रॉम इंडिया बाई हुम, तो ये नादिर शाह ने लिया था। अहमद शाह अब्दाली केम फ्रॉम विच प्लेस, तो ये अफगानिस्तान से आया था, अफगानिस्तान से आया था। नेक्स्ट देखिए, कहता है कि मोहम्मद गोरी अटैक्ड तबार हिंद भटिंडा कब किया था? 1911 में किया था। इट वॉज ए स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट फॉर पृथ्वीराज चौहान, भटिंडा में। दिल्ली सल्तनत देखते हैं। इक्तादारी सिस्टम वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाई विच किंग, तो या सुल्तान कह सकते हैं, तो शमसुद्दीन इल्तुतमिश के द्वारा। द रियल फाउंडर ऑफ दिल्ली सल्तनत वाज इल्तुतमिश, जो कि बलबन का नहीं, जो कि लाख बख्श यानी कि उसका ये दामाद था, ठीक है। हेड ऑफ दीवाने इंसा डिपार्टमेंट वाज दाबिर ए खास। अंडर द दिल्ली सल्तनत, हेड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इंटेलिजेंस डिपार्टमेंट was Barid a Mumalik. The term associated with the learned theologian and jurist was ulema. Under the Delhi Sultanate, जक़ात जो था एक रिलीजियस टैक्स हुआ करता था। दिल्ली सल्तनत के तहत जक़ात जो था एक रिलीजियस टैक्स हुआ करता था, जो कि इम्पोज किया जाता था वेल्दी और रिच मुस्लिम जो कि भारत में रहते थे। तबकाते नसीरी, इट वाज रिटन इन पर्सियन लैंग्वेज बाय मिनहाज ए सिराज, मिनहाज सिराज के द्वारा तबकाते नसीरी लिखी गई थी। अनंगा पाला तोमर रूल्ड बिफोर पृथ्वीराज चौहान ओवर विच प्लेस, तो दिल्ली पे रूल किया था। द ऑथर ऑफ तारीख मुबारक शाही वाज यहिया बिन अहमद सरहिंदी। नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। नेक्स्ट कहता है कि स्पेशल स्लेव्स बॉट फॉर मिलिट्री सर्विसेज वेर नोन एज बंदागन। इनको क्या कहा गया? बंदागन। लैंड और लैंड रेवेन्यू इंटरेस्टेड टू ए पर्सन ऑन ए स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन वाज इक्ता। लैंड और लैंड रेवेन्यू इंटरेस्टेड टू ए स्पेसिफिक पर्सन ऑन ए स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन वाज कॉल्ड इक्ता। ऑफिसर्स जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल हुआ करते थे फॉर कलेक्टिंग रेवेन्यू इन दिल्ली सल्तनत, उनको क्या कहते थे? उनको नजीर कहा जाता था, नजीर। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टेट कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस इन दिल्ली सल्तनत, उसको क्या कहा गया है? उसको कहा गया है दीवाने इंसा। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जस्टिस इन दिल्ली सल्तनत, उसको क्या कहा गया? उसको कहा गया दीवाने काजा ए मामलिक। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मिलिट्री इन दिल्ली सल्तनत, उसको क्या कहा गया है? दीवाने अरीज। फर्स्ट एंड ओनली वुमेन रूलर ऑफ दिल्ली सल्तनत वाज रजिया सुल्तान। रूल ऑफ काकातिया डायनेस्टी वाज इंडेड बाय, काकातिया डायनेस्टी को खत्म किया था दिल्ली सल्तनत ने। गियासुद्दीन बलबन टुक ओवर एंड रूल्ड थ्रोन ऑफ दिल्ली, बहुत लंबे समय तक शासन किया था, 1266 से 1287 तक। आमिर अल खयाल, an Arabic title which means commander of faithful, was given to Jamal Uddin Yaqut. The second Sultan of Delhi Sultanate was Aram Shah. A tax on agricultural land of non-Muslims during Delhi Sultanate was called Kharaj tax. The Sultanate that Rajia was more able and qualified, the statement that, Rajia was more able and qualified than all her brothers for the Sultan of Delhi Sultanate was said by Minhaj-e-Siraz. किसने कहा था? Minhaj-e-Siraz ने। जियाउद्दीन बर्नी wrote his first chronicle, कब लिखा था? 1356 में लिखा था। In the second battle of Tarain, the victory of Turks laid the foundation stone of Delhi Sultanate. Tarikh-e-Mubarak Shahi is a Persian language chronicle of the Delhi Sultanate. ऑथर ऑफ तारीख मुबारक शाही यहिया कौन था? इसका था यहिया बिन अहमद सरहिंदी। स्पेशल स्लेव्स बॉट बाय दिल्ली सुल्तान्स फॉर मिलिट्री सर्विसेज वेर कॉल्ड, इनको कहा जाता था बंदागन। द लैंग्वेज ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अंडर द दिल्ली सल्तनत वाज पर्शियन। ड्यूरिंग द रूल ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तान्स, मेकिंग ए मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट रिक्वायर्ड वाज 4 स्टेजेस। दिल्ली फर्स्ट become the capital of kingdom under तोमार राजपूत। तोमर जो राजपूत थे उन्होंने दिल्ली को पहली बार कैपिटल बनाया था। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Coins minted in Delhi under the Tomaras were called Delhi Wal, Delhi wall. Number of dynasties ruled Delhi during the Sultanate period. टोटल 5 डायनेस्टी ने शासन किया, जिसमें स्लेव डायनेस्टी थी, फिर आपकी स्लेव के बाद फिर खिलजी डायनेस्टी आई, तुगलक आई, सैयद और लोधी। टोटल 5 डायनेस्टी 1206 से लेकर 1526। Delhi Sultanate was established in 1206. In Delhi Sultanate, the holder of land assignment Ikta was called as Mukti. फतेहपुर सिकरी जो कि आगरा में है, ये किसने बनवाया था? ये अकबर ने बनवाया था। पैरट ऑफ इंडिया या तूतीय हिंद या फादर ऑफ कव्वाली किसे कहा जाता है? तो ये अमीर खुसरो को कहा जाता है। द सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली एट द टाइम ऑफ इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर, जो कि 1336 में इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था, उस समय था मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक। द फिफ्थ स्टोरी ऑफ कुतुब मीनार वॉज बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ, यानी कि शासन कौन कर रहा था? फिरोज शाह तुगलक कर रहा था। मुकदम और चौधरी ड्यूरिंग दिल्ली सल्तनत वाज यूज्ड फॉर विलेज हेडमैन। कुतुब मीनार इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंडो इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर। कुतुब मीनार किसका एग्जाम्पल है? इंडो इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर का एग्जाम्पल है। द नंबर ऑफ स्टोरीज इन कुतुब मीनार इज टोटल 5। द कुतुब मीनार इज सिचुएटेड इन दिल्ली। आपका कुतुब कॉम्प्लेक्स आप जाओ कभी मेहरौली में। इन दिल्ली सल्तनत दीवान इंशा वाज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रॉयल कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस। दीवान इंशा रॉयल कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। द दीवान इंशा वाज हेडेड बाय दाबीर खास। 1/5 टैक्स imposed on mines, treasures, tropes and war booty was khams tax. In Delhi Sultanate, Balban was a slave of Iltutmish. दिल्ली सल्तनत में बलबन स्लेव था इल्तुतमिश का। फर्स्ट सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली एंड फाउंडर ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी वाज कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। ये खुद ही एक स्लेव था। द दिल्ली सुल्तान who annexed Bengal into the Delhi Sultanate and appointed his son Bughra Khan as direct governor was Balban. The Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi text related to Delhi Sultanate was authored by Ziauddin Barni. Iqtidari system of Delhi Sultanate had an influence on the Bahmani and Vijayanagar kingdoms. In 1199, construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutubuddin Aibak but completed by Iltutmish. Ghiyasuddin Balban was appointed as the prime minister by Nasiruddin Mahmud. Nizamul Mulk Junaidi was wazir of Sultan Iltutmish. Sultan Iltutmish. Ghiyasuddin Balban took up the title of Jil-e-Ilahi. Razia Sultan was chronicled by Minhaj-e-Siraj. उसने लिखा था। Malik Ikhtiyar ud Din Altunia imprisoned Razia Sultan in Qila Mubarak in Bhatinda. Qila Mubarak in Bhatinda was built by Raja Dab. Iltutmish organized a group of 40 known as Turkan-e-Chahalgani. The third ruler of Mamluk dynasty of Delhi of Turkish origin was Iltutmish. The fifth story of Qutub Minar was added by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा एट अजमेर किसने बनवाया था? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने। फाउंडर ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक 1206 में। इल्तुतमिश वाज ए किंग ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी, ठीक है, और ये स्लेवों का स्लेव भी कहा जाता है। तुर्कन ए चहलगानी वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय इल्तुतमिश। Slave dynasty was founded by Qutubuddin Aibak, who was commander of Muhammad Ghori. The approximate height of Qutub Minar, situated in Delhi, is 73 meters. Razia Sultan was the daughter of Shams-Uddin Iltutmish. Territorial units assigned to military commanders in Delhi Sultanate were known as Iqta. कव्वत अल इस्लाम मॉस्क जो है कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड है? दिल्ली में सिचुएटेड है, वही कुतुब मीनार के बगल में ही। हौज ए सुल्तानी ए लार्ज रिजर्व जस्ट आउटसाइड दिल्ली वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय सुल्तान इल्तुतमिश। 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट मॉस्क सिचुएटेड इन अजमेर। फक्रे मुदब्बीर ए रिनोड हिस्टोरियन वाज कंटेम्पोररी ऑफ सुल्तान इल्तुतमिश। Razia became the Sultan of Delhi in 1236. Razia Sultan, the first empress of Delhi, had been imprisoned in Qila Mubarak. Razia Sultan was defeated by her religious general Malik Ikhtiyar Uddin Altuniya और शादी भी कर लिया था बाद में इसी से. Slave dynasty established by Qutbuddin Aibak ruled North India 1206 से लेकर 1290 तक. The Sultan who succeeded in finally breaking and destroying the power of Turkan Chahalgani was Balban. Mamluk style of architecture belongs to slave dynasty. Slave dynasty को ही मामलुक dynasty कहते हैं. The Delhi Sultan who died from injuries sustained in a fall from horse. ये चौगन खेल रहा था, उससे हॉर्स से गिर के इसकी मृत्यु हो गई थी कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक की. Persian festival Nowruz in India was introduced by Balban. Tughril Khan raised a standard of revolt during the reign of Balban. Sultan Ghari tomb was built by Iltutmish. Red Palace, Lal Mahal किसने बनवाया था? गयासुद्दीन बलबन ने. 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. The tomb of Iltutmish was built in 1235 AD. The customs Sijda and Paibus were introduced by Ghyasuddin Balban, Mamluk dynasty. Sijda मतलब कि सर झुकाना नवाब के सामने, सुल्तान के सामने, और पाइबूस मतलब उसके कदम चूमना. The practice of celebrating Nowruz started during the period of Ghyasuddin Balban. Balban served as a naib to which Sultan of Delhi Nasruddin Mahmud हो जाएगा. Ghyasuddin Balban ruled in India from 1266 से 1287. The only lady who has ruled in Delhi as a sultan is Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan belonged to Mamluk dynasty. The slave dynasty ruled Delhi from कब से कब तक? तो 1206 से 1290 तक शासन किया था इसने. The slave dynasty, that is Ghulam dynasty, was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak, the first of the Islamic dynasties to rule as the Delhi Sultanate was slave dynasty. In 1229 AD, the title Sultan-e-Azam and Nasir Amir al-Mumin were given to Iltutmish by Khalif Muttasir Billah. The Diwan-e-Arj military department of the Delhi Sultanate was created by Balban. Tughril Beg ने revolt किया against whom? Against Balban. Tughril Beg declared himself as the independent ruler of Bengal in 1279. बाद में इसको मरवा दिया था बलबन ने. Two basic coins, silver tanka and the copper jittal, were introduced by Iltutmish. In 1997-98, Badaun was occupied by Qutbuddin Aibak. Iltutmish was appointed as the first Muslim governor by Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar, which is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture. Ulugh Khan assumed the title of Balban. Minhaj-e-Siraj was chronicler during the rule of Iltutmish. Rajia was removed from throne of the Delhi Sultanate, in which period? 1240 में. The first female Muslim ruler of India was Razia Sultan. कौवत अल इस्लाम मॉस्क जो है कुतुब मीनार के बगल में ही है, एंड मीनारेट जो है दिस वर बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट डिकेड ऑफ 12th century. Ghyasuddin Balban ruled in India between 1266 से 1287 तक. Qutbuddin Aibak was commander of Muhammad Ghori and he was also a slave under the Muhammad Ghori. Jizya on non-Muslim for the first time in India was imposed by Qutbuddin Aibak. This is a religious tax has to be paid by non-Muslims. The practice of Sijda and Paibos in court was started by Ghyasuddin Balban. Sijda means bowing down to the Sultan, and Paibos is the kissing of the feet of the Sultan. The tomb of Razia Sultan is made of the baked bricks. Hauj Sultani was constructed by Iltutmish. Razia Sultan was the daughter of Iltutmish again. Approximate height of Qutub Minar is 73 meter. 73 meter, or if you can convert it into feet, it is 237.8 feet. The founder of Khilji dynasty, which ruled immediately after the Mamluk dynasty or slave dynasty, is in 2090 AD was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. Alai Darwaza was built by using the red sandstone. Under Alauddin Khilji, an officer oversaw a merchant register to secure ample goods supply was called Sahanae Mandi. Types of taxes in the reign of Alauddin Khilji, there were three taxes like Jizya, Ghari and Chari. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी अटैक चित्तौर इन विच ईयर, तो 1303 में चित्तौर पे आक्रमण किया था. द टावर ऑफ विक्ट्री दैट इज विजय स्तंभा इन चित्तौड़गढ़ वाज इरेक्टेड बाय राणा कुंभा आफ्टर डिफीटिंग महमूद खिलजी. Alai Minar near the Qutub Minar, an unfinished monument, was started by Alauddin Khilji. Tax on housing, cultivation and cattle was imposed by the state during the reign of Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaja, which is in Delhi in 1311, was built by Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1296 AD to 1316 AD. Malik Kafur, who was commander of Alauddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the commander of Alauddin Khilji. The most important officer who supervised all departments in Delhi Sultanate was Diwane Wizarat. Jahaj Mahal, built by Sultan Ghiyasuddin Khilji, is located in Mandu, which is in Madhya Pradesh. The Hindu ruler when Alauddin Khilji attacked Ranthambore in 1301 was Hamir Dev. The Persian chronicles described the Muslim sultans as shadow of gods. ये अपने को shadow of god या फिर god की साया कहते थे. Alauddin Khilji constructed a new garrison town for his soldiers named Siri Fort. Siri Fort बनवाया था इसने. Alauddin Khilji raised Kharaj tax to 50%. कितना बढ़ाया था? 50%. Amir Khusro, Parrot of India, was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. The famous poem Hast Bihist was written by Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro was a royal poet and a disciple of Sufi saint Nizamuddin Aulia. The last dynasty to rule over Gujarat before it passed into the hand of Alauddin Khilji was Baghela dynasty. The first Delhi Sultan to start military campaigns in southern India was Alauddin Khilji. The Delhi Sultan, best known for his market regulation policy, was Alauddin Khilji. Malwa, which is in Madhya Pradesh, was captured by Alauddin Khilji in 1305 AD. Alauddin Khilji's madrasa and tomb are situated in New Delhi. Amir Khusro was popularly known as Parrot of India. Siri, the second city of Delhi, was built by Alauddin Khilji. The Khilji dynasty, which ruled between 1290 to 1320, was founded by Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. The dynasty that came after Khilji dynasty was Tughlaq dynasty. Char Minar in Hauz Khas area of Delhi was constructed by Alauddin Khilji. A series of regulations was framed to control the power of nobles by whom? So by Khilji, Alauddin Khilji. The classic poet of Sultanate period in India who popularized Qawwali was Amir Khusro. The Jahaj Mahal of Mandu was built by Ghiyasuddin Khilji. The Jamaat Khana Masjid was built by Khijr Khan, who was son of Alauddin Khilji. Jamaat Khana Masjid. The Sultan of Delhi, who was appointed as Amir-e-Tujuk, master of ceremonies, before becoming the Sultan, was Alauddin Khilji. The incident of Jauhar was first mentioned in the Persian language by Amir Khusro. The dynasty that ruled over Delhi during 2090 to 3020 was Khilji dynasty. Jafar Khan was famous general of Alauddin Khilji. The predecessor of Alauddin Khilji was Jalaluddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the slave general of Alauddin Khilji. The battle against Ramchandra of Devgiri was led by Malik Kafur. The system of Dag and Huliya and cash payment to soldiers was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. During Alauddin Khilji reign, the cloth market was known as Sarai Adal. Alauddin Khilji built his capital by name of Siri. The first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate to start military expeditions into southern India was Alauddin Khilji. तैमूर लंग जो है, तैमूर लंग इन्वेडेड इंडिया इन 1398 AD ड्यूरिंग द रूल ऑफ तुगलक डायनेस्टी. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Daulatabad, Delhi to Daulatabad. Muhammad bin Tughlaq established Diwan Amir Kohi to take care of the agricultural department. Agricultural department. During the reign of Alauddin Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the governor of Punjab, Multan. अलाउद्दीन के समय में गियासुद्दीन तुगलक जो था वो पंजाब का जो है गवर्नर था. Begumpuri Mosque, the main mosque of Jahanpana in his new capital Delhi, was built during the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. बाद में फिर दौलताबाद से वापस ले आया था. ये पगला था एक नंबर का. In 14th century इंडिया में टोकन करेंसी वाज स्टार्टेड बाय मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. इसने जो है चांदी के सिक्कों को हटा दिया, बाकी सिक्कों को हटा के टोकन करेंसी जो है लाया था. The ruler of Delhi Sultanate during the establishment of Bahmani kingdom was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Begumpuri Mosque was built during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Aziz Kumar, a wine distiller, was appointed to high administrative post in the Delhi Sultanate by Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The successor of Muhammad bin Tughlaq to throne was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. इब्न बतूता जो कि एक मोरक्को रबात से ट्रेवलर आया था, ये कब आया था? तो ये आया था बेसिकली मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक के ही शासनकाल में. गियासुद्दीन तुगलक रेज्ड द बैनर ऑफ रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट नसरुद्दीन खुसरो. जियाउद्दीन बर्नी wrote his chronicle first version in 1356. Ibn Battuta was appointed as Qazi of Delhi by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Firoz Shah Tughlaq tomb is situated in Delhi. Fatehabad and Hisar city were formed by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. फतेहाबाद और हिसार फिरोज शाह तुगलक ने एस्टेब्लिश किया था. खुस महल इन वारंगल फोर्ट वाज बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ तुगलक डायनेस्टी. इन 1342 इब्न बतूता वेंट टू चाइना एज द इनवॉय ऑफ मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक क्रिएटेड एन एग्रीकल्चरल डिपार्टमेंट दीवान आमिर कोही टू improve cultivation in Doab. Muhammad bin Tughlaq ascended the throne after the death of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta came in the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Aziz Kumar, a wine distiller, was appointed to a high administrative post by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Two gardeners, that is Ladha and Pira, were appointed to the high administrative post by Muhammad bin Tughlaq again. Ziauddin Barni wrote his first chronicle in 1356 and another version just 2 years later. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq founded the Tughlaq dynasty in 1320. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq ruled over Delhi from 1320 to 1324, 4 साल के लिए. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq founded the city of Tughlaqabad. Moroccan traveler that came to India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq is Ibn Battuta. The fifth story of Qutub Minar was built during the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Token currency introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq was made out of the cheap metals. Sangita Ratnakara, composed by Saranga Deva in Sanskrit during the 13th century. Firoz Shah Kotla, Tughlaqabad Khirki Masjid was built during the Tughlaq period. Ibn Battuta जो कि मोरक्को से आया था came to India in 14th century. खराज टैक्स जो था it was introduced by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. खराज टैक्स, a land tax that was equal to 1/10 of the produce of the land was खराज tax. Begumpuri Mosque was built during the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Sheikh Nasiruddin Mahmud is known as the Chirage Delhi. देवगिरी was the short term capital of Delhi Sultanate, उसी को दौलताबाद बोला गया. देवगिरी was renamed as Daulatabad by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta went to China as envoy of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Delhi Sultan who constructed the highest number of canals was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 300 volumes of Sanskrit books collected by Firoz Shah Tughlaq during the period of campaign of Nagarkot were translated by Azizuddin खान. इब्न बतूता was appointed to the post of काजी. काजी दिल्ली का बनाया गया था किसके द्वारा? मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक के द्वारा. और इसी से लड़ाई भी हो गई थी छोटी मोटी इसके साथ. The second ruler of Sayyid dynasty was Mubarak Shah. The last ruler of Sayyid dynasty was Alauddin Alam Shah. सैयद डायनेस्टी ने रूल किया 1414 से 1451 तक. द मोन्यूमेंट कॉल्ड तीन दरवाजा इज लोकेटेड इन गुजरात. फाउंडर ऑफ सैयद डायनेस्टी 1414 से लेकर 1451 तक वाज खिज्र खान. द फर्स्ट रूलर ऑफ द सैयद डायनेस्टी वाज खिज्र खान अगेन. द सैयद डायनेस्टी वाज फाउंडेड इन 1414 1414 में. मुबारक शाह वाज द सन ऑफ खिज्र खान. द बैटल ऑफ खटोली 1517 में लड़ी गई थी. दिस वाज फॉट बिटवीन राणा संगावन एंड इब्राहिम लोदी के बीच में. सिकंदर लोदी जो था ही फाउंडेड आगरा 1504 सी में, लोदी डायनेस्टी का. द मोठ की मस्जिद वाज बिल्ट इन दिल्ली बाय मियां भोया, वजीर ऑफ सिकंदर लोदी 1505 में. द डायनेस्टी अंडर द दिल्ली सल्तनत विच वाज द फर्स्ट अफगान पश्तून डायनेस्टी इन इंडिया वाज लोदी डायनेस्टी. In the architecture of Lodi dynasty, the mausoleum shape was octagonal design. Lodi dynasty was founded by Bahlol Lodi. Agrasen ki Baoli, the historical stepwell in Delhi, is located in Delhi. The last sultan of Lodi dynasty was Ibrahim Lodi. In the first battle of Panipat, बाबर ने किसको हराया था? इब्राहिम लोदी को. मोठ की मस्जिद was built during the reign of Lodi dynasty. The Moat ki Masjid was built in the reign of Sikandar Lodi. Sikandar Lodi was Nizam Khan, was also named as Nizam Khan, was the son of Bahlol Lodi. Sikandar Lodi shifted his capital from Delhi to Agra, और आगरा शहर को फाउंड भी किया था इसने. Double dome, that is Indo-Islamic architecture, was introduced by Lodi dynasty. Double dome. Sikandar Lodi founded in Agra in 1505. The last sultan of Lodi dynasty was Ibrahim Lodi. Bahlol Lodi was succeeded by his son Nizam Khan. सिकंदर लोदी भी कहा जाता है. इब्राहिम लोदी was defeated by बाबर. The first battle of पानीपत कब हुआ था? 1526 में. बाबर ने इब्राहिम लोदी को हरा दिया था. जौनपुर सल्तनत was ruled by सरकी डायनेस्टी. सरकी डायनेस्टी ने रूल किया था. यहाँ पे खत्म होता है हमारा दिल्ली सल्तनत और फॉरेन इन्वेशन. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ेंगे. मुगल एम्पायर एंड सिख गुरु के बारे में देखेंगे. डिस्कस अबाउट मुगल एम्पायर. मुगल एम्पायर के फटाफट जो है उसको देखते हैं. आईने अकबरी. आईने अकबरी जो है इसको थोड़ा जूम कर लेता हूँ. और तो आईने अकबरी वाज रिटन बाय अबुल फजल. अबुल फजल वाज द कोर्ट पोएट ऑफ अकबर. A 16th century detailed document recording the administration of Akbar in Aine Akbari. Just a second. A 16th century detailed document regarding the administration of Akbar's is Aine Akbari. Okay, Aine Akbari में अकबर का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का डिटेल दिया गया है. Poll tax on non-Muslim subject during the reign of Mughal Empire was called jizya. Jizya was a non-Muslim tax, कह सकते हैं. poll tax होता था. खाने खाना title was honored to Bairam Khan. खान देश was incorporated into Mughal Empire. 1601 में इसको incorporate किया गया था. The head of panchayat in Mughal India was known as Makdum. The head of panchayat in Mughal India was known as मुकद्दम या मकदूम कहा जाता था. During the Mughal period, the cash crops such as cotton and sugarcane were called jins-e-kamil. Jins-e-kamil. In the context of economy system of the Mughal Empire, the term polaj referred to annually cultivated land. Polaj was nothing but the annually cultivated land. On the maternal side, Mughals were descendant of Genghis Khan, and that's why they used to do not like this Mughal term. Mughal means Mongol, something related to Mongol. During the Mughal period, the farmers who cultivated their own land were called खुद खस्ता. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Nizam ul Mulk Ashraf Jah was the first Nizam of Hyderabad, appointed by Mughal Emperor Farrukhsiyar. Francois Bernier was a physician to the Prince Dara Shikoh. The Mughal painter who painted Jahangir embracing the Safavid Abbas was Abul Hassan. In Mughal times, Surat port was called Babul Makkah, that is Gate of Makkah. Tabqat-e Akbari. Tabqat-e Akbari was written by Nizamuddin Ahmad. Under the Mughal administration, Diwan-e-Tan was related to Jagir and salaries. Under the Mughal administration, Mustarfi was related to income expenditure of a state. Under the Mughal administration, the duty of Mushrif was to look after the office. Under the Mughal administration, the duty of Wakinavish was to maintain a proper list of main event and formants. Farmans. Tappa style of music was refined and developed in the court of Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah. Next देखते हैं. The Mughal emperor who first used gunpowder in India was Babur. इसने चौंका दिया था इब्राहिम लोदी की सेना को, क्योंकि वो लोग जो है गन पाउडर तोप देखा ही नहीं था उन्होंने. द एल्डेस्ट ऑफ 4 सन्स ऑफ बाबर वाज हुमायूं. सबसे पहले बाबर, फिर हुमायूं, फिर अकबर, फिर जहांगीर, फिर शाहजहां, फिर औरंगजेब. बाबर डिफीटेड इब्राहिम लोदी एट द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. ये कब हुआ था? तो ये हुआ था 1526 में. द सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत वॉज फॉट बिटवीन अकबर एंड हेमू. ये कब लड़ा गया था? 1556 में लड़ा गया था. द बैटल ऑफ खानवा वॉज फॉट बिटवीन बाबर एंड राणा सांगा. ये कब लड़ा गया था? इट वॉज फॉट on 16th March 1527. The founder of Mughal Empire and the first Mughal emperor in India was Babur. बाबर ने डिफीट किया था महमूद लोदी को in 1529 in the Battle of Ghagra. Baburnama is an autobiography of whom? So it is an autobiography of Babur. Babur assumed the title of Padshah. After years of wandering, Babur seized the Kabul in 1504. Babur ने डिफीट किया था इब्राहिम लोदी को in the first battle of Panipat, which took place in 1526. Aram Bagh, which is in Uttar Pradesh, was built by Babur. In which year? In 1528. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट कहता है कि बाबर फर्स्ट नेम बाबर का जो था वो जहीरुद्दीन था. ही सक्सीडेड टू द थ्रोन ऑफ फरगना. कब सक्सीड किया था? तो 1494 में किया था. बहुत छोटा था उस समय. द फाउंडर ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर इन द इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट वॉज बाबर. Babur's body was first laid at Aram Bagh in Agra in 1530 but was later taken to Kabul, Afghanistan. Sur Empire was founded by Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri was born as Farid Khan और इसको शेर खान की भी उपाधि दी गई थी. Humayun's tomb was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in which year? In 1993 में किया गया था. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. कब ये लड़ाई लड़ी गई थी? 1539 एडी में. Mandu, which is in Madhya Pradesh, was the capital of Hoshang-Shah. Mandu, which is in Madhya Pradesh, was the capital of Hoshang-Shah. The renowned painter Abdus Samad, who was Irani, came to India on the invitation of Humayun. A silver coin termed rupiah in the 16th century was issued by whom? It was issued by Sher Shah Suri. The Battle of Kannauj, which was fought in 1540, was fought between Sher Shah Suri and Humayun. Rohtas Fort जो है, which is in Pakistan, was built by Raja Todarmal, and this was on the order of Sher Shah Suri. रोहतास फोर्ट जो है किसने बनवाया था? ये शेर राजा टोडरमल ने बनवाया था। शेर मशहूर इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री इज रेफर टू टीपू सुल्तान। शेर शाह का टॉम जो है, शेर शाह सूरी का टॉम, वो कहाँ पे है? तो बिहार के सासाराम में इसका जो है टॉम लोकेटेड है। दीन पनाह नगर विच इज दिल्ली was built by Humayun. The medieval rulers who prioritized the construction of sarais, that is shelters for travelers, were Sher Shah Suri. Padmavat was written in 1540 by Malik Muhammad Jaisi in Awadhi language. In which language? In Awadhi language. Grand Trunk Road or GT Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. The first garden tomb of India was tomb of Humayun, दिल्ली में है. Jaimal and Patta, they were warriors, took charge of the defending the fort of Chittor. Jaimal and Patta, they were the warriors who took charge of defending the fort of Chittor. In 1590, Gobind Dev temple in Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh was constructed by Raja Man Singh. For the construction of Gobind Dev temple, which is in Vrindavan, red sandstone जो था, this was donated by Emperor Akbar. तो इसकी सहिष्णुता को दिखाता है. Pilgrimage tax was abolished by Akbar in which year? In 1563. Sikandra, which is in Agra, houses the mausoleum of Akbar. The Aine-Akbari, which is written by Abul Fazl, is divided into how many books? This is divided into 5 books. Mirza Hakim was the half brother of the Mughal emperor Akbar. In Akbar's administration, the land kept out of the cultivation temporarily in order to recoup its lost fertility was termed as Parauti or Parti Parauti. The title of Khane Khana was given by Akbar to Mirza Abdul Rahim Khan. The ruling period of Akbar was 1556 to 1605. During the reign of Akbar, land that has laid fallow for 3 to 4 years was called Chachar. The battle of or the second battle of Panipat, which took place in 1556, started under the rule of Akbar. The Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. This was basically according to the seniority of military commanders, their rank, Jat. The battle of Haldi Ghati was fought during the rule of Akbar in which year? So it was in 1576. Agra fort was built in the 16th century by Akbar again. Fatehpur Sikri was the first planned city built by again Akbar. Fatehpur Sikri was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in which year? तो 1986 में किया गया था. Akbar defeated Daud Khan Karrani in the battle of Tukaroi in 1575. Akbar's revenue system, that is Jabti, was developed by whom? It was developed by Raja Todarmal. Tansen was one of the Navratnas or the 9 jewels in the court of Akbar. He was a singer. Sher Shah Suri's administration became the model followed by Akbar. It was so good that the Akbar has to follow this system because Sher Shah Suri took many steps like Bazaar control and all. Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazl. Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar in the honor of Sheikh Salim Chishti. The information, and there is a story that Akbar was not able to become father, and due to which he visited to the Sheikh Salim Chishti, and after that he became the father, and due to which Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar in the honor of Sheikh Salim Chishti. The information about revenues, army and administration during Akbar's rule was contained in Aine-Akbari. Aine-Akbari is divided into how many volumes? So there are total 5 volumes of Aine-Akbari, which was written by Abul Fazl. Ajmer became the Suba headquarters under the Mughals. Ajmer became the Suba headquarters under the Mughals. Tansen devised many ragas or melodies in Hindustani music. Kashmir was annexed by Akbar in which year? So it was annexed in 1586. Akbar's revenue minister was Todarmal, who was the of Akbar's revenue minister, he was Todermal. Gaj, or the unit of measuring length, was divided into equal parts in the book of Abul Fazl called Tasuj. Sikandra is the final resting place of Akbar. Military commanders in Akbar's empire were called Faujdar. Akbar issued Mahjarnama, in which year? It was issued in 1579. Fatehpur Sikri, Buland Darwaja, and Agra fort were constructed by these. All three things were constructed by Akbar. Murshidabad or Maqsoodabad was built by again Akbar. Murshidabad was named by Nawab Murshid Quli Khan. A tax levied on the lands over and above the original rent is called Abwab. Abwab. The first city planned by Mughal Empire was Fatehpur Sikri. Akbarnama. Akbarnama is divided into how many books? Three books. Um, the second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu. Hemu was a Hindu king, and this was fought in 1556. To commemorate his victory over Gujarat, Akbar built the Buland Darwaja in Fatehpur Sikri. गुजरात की विक्ट्री के बाद ही अकबर ने बुलंद दरवाजा बनाया था फतेहपुर सिकरी में. Another name for बुलंद दरवाजा is Gate of Magnificence. The Red Fort of Agra was constructed by Akbar again. Chand Bibi, the queen of Ahmednagar, fought against Emperor Akbar. Takht-e-Akbari, the platform on which Akbar was crowned as emperor, lies in the state of Kalanor, which is in Punjab. The Jari Kalam, that is golden pen title, was given at Akbar's court to calligrapher Muhammad Hussain. Akbar's idea of Sulh-e-Kul meant what? It meant universal peace. Sheikh Salim Chishti tomb is situated in which place? It is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. Next देखते हैं Deen-e-Ilahi, which was a different kind of initiative initiated by Akbar, under which different religious heads of different religion were invited by Akbar, and they had to participate, and they used to discuss on the religious matters. So Deen-e-Ilahi was a religion was founded by Akbar. In Akbar's reign, there were total 29 Mansabdars with rank of 5,000 Jat. The monuments constructed by Akbar in 1575 to celebrate his victory over Gujarat was Buland Darwaja. The document of Mahjar at instance of Akbar was produced by Sheikh Mubarak. Mirza Hakim, half brother of Akbar, was the ruler of Kabul. The Battle of Tukaroy, that is, was fought in 1575, was fought between the Daud Khan Karani of Bengal Sultanate and Akbar, who was the Mughal emperor then. The Dahsala system under administration of Akbar was related to land revenue system. Raja Todermal was the revenue minister during the reign of Akbar. Abdul Rahim Khane Khana was one of the Navratanas of Akbar. Astrology books in Sanskrit named Kheta Kautukam and Dwatri Nshna Yogavali were written by Abdul Rahim Khane Khana. Babarnama was translated into Persian by whom? So Babarnama was translated into Persian by Abdul Rahim Khane Khana. Akbar awarded the title Jareen Kalam or Golden Pen to whom? It was awarded to Muhammad Hussain. Mahesh Das from Akbar's court was popularly known as Birbal. After defeating Rana Shanga, Babur took the title of Gaji. In 1527, the Battle of Khanwa was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga. Memoirs of Babur or Babarnama written by Babur is also known as Tujuke Babari. Babur succeeded to the throne of Fargana in 1494 at the age of 12 years. The military strategy used by Babur was Tulugama. Babur assumed the title of Gaji after the success of Battle of Khanwa, which was fought in 1527. Babarnama, the memoir of Babur, was composed in Turkish language. Babur used cannon and ammunition effectively for the first time in India in first battle of Panipat, and this was the main cause why the forces of Ibrahim Lodi got all of a sudden surprised due to the attack from topes and all, cannons and all. In the Battle of Chanderi of 1528, Babur defeated the Rajput ruler Medini Roy. Tujuke Babari is an autobiography of Babur in Turkish language. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. The period of reign of Babur was 1526 to 1530. Rana Sanga was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa, which took place in 1527 by Babur. Battle of Khanwa, Rana Sanga. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and captured Delhi and Agra in the year 1526. Okay, then Battle of Panipat में हुआ था. The Mughal emperor, who was a follower of Naqshbandiya leader Khwaja Ubaydullah Arhar, was Babur. Babur introduced a technique of warfare called Tuluguma. Tuluguma में चारों तरफ से घेरने का काम होता था. The Battle of Ghagra of 1529 was fought between Babur and Muhammad Lodi. The arrival of Babur into India led to the introduction of cannons in warfare. The arrival of Babur into India led to the establishment of Timurid dynasty in the region, because from the paternity side was uh, Babur was from the Timurid dynasty. He belonged to Timurid dynasty from the paternal side, and from maternal side he was from the Chengiz Khan dynasty. Sher Shah defeated Humayun at the Battle of Chausa in which year? 1539. The Mughal ruler who divided his inheritance according to his father's will was Humayun. After the death of Babur, Humayun divided his empire into how many parts? So 4 parts. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri are credited with the construction of Purana Kila, that is Delhi. Sher Shah Suri Marg runs between Delhi and Amritsar. Humayun's tomb, that is Delhi, was built by Bega Begum. Mirza Kamran was the brother of Humayun. The ruling period of Sher Shah Suri was 1540 to 1545. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is located in Sasaram, which is in Bihar. The Shahi or the Royal Road from the Indus Valley to the Sonar Valley in Bengal was built by Sher Shah Suri. The Mughal lost Kandhar to the Safavid dynasty during the reign of Shah Jahan in 1649. The first use of Pietra Dura technique in India was in the Taj Mahal by Shah Jahan. The Jama Masjid of Delhi was built during the reign of Shah Jahan. The golden age of Mughal architecture is associated with the reign of Shah Jahan. The famous Kohinoor diamond and Shah Jahan's peacock throne were taken away by Nadir Shah. The main residence of Mughal emperor for nearly 200 years was Red Fort. The Red Fort in India was built in the 17th century by Mughal emperor Shah Jahan. Dara Shikoh was the son of Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra on the banks of Yamuna River. Shahjahanama, a genre of work about the Mughal emperor Shah Jahan, was written by Inayat Khan. Humayun's tomb was built by Humayun's first wife Haji Begum. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled during the 1628 to 1658 AD. Abdul Hamid Lahori's work titled Badshahnama is the official history of Shah Jahan. The title of Sultan Buland Iqbal was given by Shah Jahan to Dara Shikoh. The peacock throne was commissioned by Shah Jahan. Prince Khurram is also known by the name Shah Jahan. The largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid of Delhi. The Diwan-e-Khash and Diwan-e-Aam were constructed at the Delhi Red Fort by Shah Jahan. The style of garden that became popular during the Mughal era is Charbagh. The Badshahnama was written by Abdul Hamid Lahori. Abdul Hamid Lahori was his historian during the reign of Shah Jahan. The mausoleum of the Taj Mahal was designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. The successor of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to throne was Aurangzeb. The Bibi Ka Maqbara is a tomb located in which place? It is located in Ahmedabad, Aurangabad of Maharashtra. The Mughal Empire consisted of 21 Suba at the time of Aurangzeb's death. The maximum number of books in Persian on classical Indian music were written during the reign of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb reimposed jizya and pilgrim tax in which year? In 1679. Manuki, an Italian traveler, visited India during the reign of Aurangzeb. An attempt was made to demolish the Kailash temple of Ellora. By whom? So by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb assumed the title of Alamgir. Dilras Banu Begum was also known as Rabia ud Durrani. The memorial of Aurangzeb's wife Dilras Banu Begum is Bibi Ka Maqbara. Mughal ruler Aurangzeb died in which year? He died in 1707. The last powerful Mughal ruler of India was Aurangzeb. Bijapur. Bijapur was annexed by Aurangzeb in which year? It was annexed in 1686. The Moti Masjid in Delhi was built during the reign of Aurangzeb again. Dara Sikoh was defeated by Aurangzeb in the battle of Devrai 1659 में. Tarikhe Dilkusha was written by Bhimsen. Aurangzeb was also known as Alamgir. The Badshahi Masjid in Lahore was built by whom? It was built by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb ruled the Mughal Empire during the period of 1658 to 1707. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was known as Jinda Pir. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was known as Jinda Pir. The Battle of Samugarh, which was fought in 1658 for Shah Jahan's throne, was won by Aurangzeb by defeating Dara Sikoh. Bijapur was annexed by Aurangzeb in which year? 1686 year. Aurangzeb had depleted the military and financial resources of his empire by fighting a long war in which place? So it was in Deccan. Bibi Ka Maqbara is a famous historical monument situated in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, which is the Maqbara of wife of Aurangzeb. Bibi Ka Maqbara was commissioned in 1660 by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Bibi Ka Maqbara, the burial place of Aurangzeb's wife Rabia ud Durrani, is located in Maharashtra. Rabia ud Durrani. Bijapur and Golconda were annexed by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Fatwa-e Alamgiri, a digest of Muslim laws, was written during the period of Aurangzeb. The Mughal Empire reached its greatest extent under whom? Under Aurangzeb. The first Mughal ruler who fought against the British was Aurangzeb again. The fort of Golconda was seized by Aurangzeb in which year? So it was in 1687 during the reign of Abul Hasan Qutub Shah. Golconda. The charge of looking after the imperial household during the Mughal administration was given to Mir Saman. The place called Naubat Khana during the Mughal period was referred to as drum house. During the Mughal period, rank and salary were determined by numerical value called Jat. During the Mughal period, a royal edict or order was known as a Farman. From the father side, the Mughals were descendants of the Taimur Lang. Bahadur Shah II was overthrown by British. He was also called Bahadur Shah Jafar. The grading system used by Mughals to fix rank, salary and military responsibility was known as Mansabdari system. Patthar Ki Masjid in Patna was built by Parvez Shah. Surat was the emporium of western trade during the Mughal period. Mughal court chronicles were written in Persian language. And basically Urdu is a mixture of or the blend of Persian and Hindi language. In the Mughal land revenue system, the term Jama referred to amount assessed. In the Mughal provincial administration. Diwani means what? It is means revenue administration. Dara Shikoh translated the Upanishads into Persian in which year? In 1657. Shahnameh, Shahnama, the national epic poem of Greater Iran, was written by Firdoshi. Shahjahan Nama, Akbar Nama, Alamgir Nama, these are related to history of Mughal India. The construction of Jama Masjid of Delhi was completed in 1656 AD. Tansen, the famous singer of Mughal era, is associated with the Indian music from Dhrupat Gharana. Thomas Roe gained exclusive trading rights for the Thomas Munro Thai for the English by Jahangir. Jahangir died in which year? He died in 1627. Mughal ruler influenced by father-in-law Itimad ud Dawla was Jahangir. Mughal emperor who permitted the East India Company to establish their factory at Surat in 1613 was Jahangir again. Rana Amar Singh accepted Mughal services during the reign of Jahangir. John Jordan, Portuguese traveller, visited India during the reign of Jahangir again. Amar Singh was eldest son and successor of Maharana Pratap. Jahangir succeeded the throne of Mughal dynasty after whom? After Akbar. Iqbal Nama a Jahangiri, Jahangir's biography, was written by Mutamid Khan. Tujuke Jahangiri autobiography of Jahangir was originally written in Persian language. Sarai Nur Mahal is situated in Jalandhar, Punjab. Mehrun Nisha married Emperor Jahangir in which year? 1611. The tomb of Itmadul Dawla is located at Agra. Mughal emperor who banned tobacco was Jahangir. The British established their first factory in Surat in which year? 1613 with the permission of Jahangir only. Autobiography of Jahangir is Tujuke Jahangiri was originally written in Persian language. Ustad Mansoor was the leading nature painter at the court of Jahangir. The tomb of Itimad ud Dawla is situated in Agra. The maiden name of Begum Noor Jahan was Mehrun Nisha. The tomb of Jahangir is at the Sahadra, which is in Lahore. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir ruled from 1605 to 1627 CE. The words Do Aspa and Singh Aspa are related to the Mansabdari system. Prince Salim of Jahangir ascended the Mughal throne in 1605. The tomb of Itimad ud Dawla, inlaid with the Pietra Dura decoration, is located at Agra. Painting reached its peak under the Mughal ruler Jahangir. Shalimar Bagh built by Jahangir is also called the crown of Srinagar or Kashmir. The British set up their first factory in 1613 in Surat with the permission of Jahangir. William Hawkins was an English traveller who visited India during 1608 during the reign of Jahangir. Nicholas Downton arrived at Surat in 1614 during the reign of Jahangir. In 1615, Sir Thomas Roe came to India during the reign of Jahangir again. The Red Fort, which is in Delhi, and Jama Masjid, again in Delhi, were built by Shah Jahan. The Moti Masjid in Agra Fort complex was constructed by Shah Jahan again. During Shah Jahan's time, Sufi lodges for spiritual discussions were called Khanka. The Mughal ruler who permanently shifted the capital from Agra to Delhi was Shah Jahan. Shalimar Gardens in Lahore were built by Shah Jahan again. The French jeweler who travelled to India at least 6 times during the Mughal period was Jean-Baptiste Travainier. Jean-Baptiste Travainier. Pietra Dura or art of decoration became popular during the Shah Jahan reign. Sheesh Mahal in Agra was built by Shah Jahan. The Peacock Throne was built by Shah Jahan. Jama Masjid in Delhi was built by again Shah Jahan. Aurangzeb was the son of Shah Jahan. Ahmednagar was finally annexed by Mughals in which year? 1636 year. Shah Jahan built the Red Fort in which year? 1648 में. The Char Chaman The Char Chaman book was written by Chandrabhan Brahman. Dara Sikoh assumed the title of Sultan Buland Iqbal given by Shah Jahan. Land taxation system Dahsala was introduced by Raja Todarmal. Char Minar of Hyderabad was built by Muhammad Kuli Qutub Shah. The Ramcharitmanas composed by Tulsidas was written in which language? In Awadhi language. Mughal Emperor Akbar died in which year? 1605. In 1582, the Mughal Emperor Akbar promulgated a new religion called Din-e-Ilahi. Raja Man Singh, general of Akbar, defeated Chero tribe in 1591 CE. A technique for the inlay of precious stones and gems into stone walls is Pietra Dura. Akbar Nama, written by Abul Fazl, is divided into three parts, three books. Battle of Haldi Ghati of 1576 was fought between uh, Maharana Pratap and Akbar. Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar again. Pilgrimage tax abolished by whom? Akbar in 1563. Khas Mahal or Moti Masjid, Sheesh Mahal are situated in Agra. The second battle of Panipat of 1556 marked the beginning of reign of Akbar. Second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Samrat Hemu. Akbar held his religious discussions with all religions member in Ibadat Khana. Akbar Nama was written by Abul Fazl. The idea of Sulh Kul, universal peace, was given by Akbar again. Birbal, Todarmal, Abul Fazl were among the 9 gems of Akbar's court. Akbar permitted the construction of church in the city of Cambay, which is in Khambat, Gujarat, in 1598. Okay. Tansen or Ram Tanu Pandey was court poet of Akbar. Khandesh emerged or merged into the Mughal Empire by Akbar in 1601. The Mansabdari system was introduced by whom? It was introduced by Akbar. Rolf Fitch was an English traveller who visited India during the reign of Akbar. Agra's Red Fort was constructed by Akbar. Buland Darwaza was constructed by Akbar again. Tansen was famous musician in the court of Akbar. Last Mughal emperor of India was Bahadur Shah II. Humayun Nama was written by Gulbadan Begum. Many architectural projects of new capital of Shahjahanabad, Delhi were participated by Shah Jahan's daughter Jahanara. Jama Masjid and Red Fort in Delhi was built by Shah Jahan again. Now we'll discuss about Sikh Guru. Number 1. Institution of Khalsa in 1699 was founded by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Gurmukhi script was invented by whom? It was invented by Guru Angad. Sixth Guru of Sikhism was Guru Hargobind. The Jama Sakhis, the Jama Janam Sakhis or birth story are legendary biographies of Guru Nanak. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur, the ninth Sikh Guru, was executed by Aurangzeb in 1675. Sikh Gurudwara Act was passed in 1925. Practice of nominating a religious head and was closed by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Guru Gobind Singh Ji. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Bhakti and Sufi movement took place in India during the medieval times. Sri Harminder Sahib Ji temple, जो golden temple कहा जाता है, this was built by Guru Ramdas, very important, Guru Ramdas in Amritsar. Sikh Guru Sri Harkishan Ji received enlightenment in which year? 1661. Second Sikh Guru was Guru Angad. Guru Gobind Singh commanded Sikhs to wear 5 items, that is Kes, Kangha, Kada, Kacha and Kirpan. Adi Granth was compiled by 5th Sikh Guru, Guru Arjan Dev. 10th and the last of the Sikh Guru was Guru Gobind Singh, who was born in Patna. The rules of for uh, congregational worship or Sangat involving collective recitation were organized by Guru Nanak Dev. The Khalsa tradition was initiated by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, 1699. That means the Sikhs were become the warrior clan. The Sikh under Guru Hargobind Singh Ji defeated Mughals 4 times during the reign of Shah Jahan. 4 times. Battle of Dharmatpur, 15th April 1658, was fought between Aurangzeb and Maharaja Jaswant Singh. Battle of Dharmatpur was fought on the bank of river Narmada. The title of Mirza Raja was accorded by Aurangzeb to two of his highest ranking nobles, that is Raja Jai Singh and Jaswant Singh. Foundation stone of Golden Temple Harminder Sahib in Amritsar was laid by Sufi Saint Hazrat Milan Mir. Sufi Saint Hazrat Milan Mir laid the foundation stone of Golden Temple at the invitation of 5th Sikh Guruji, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Holy book of Sikhism is Adi Granth. The first Guru of Sikh religion was Guru Nanak Dev. Banda Singh Bahadur, the military commander of Khalsa army, was executed in 1716. Total Takht in Sikhism was 5. The Sikh Gurus who guided the construction of the Golden Temple is Guru Arjan Dev. Baba Dayal Das emphasized the worship of God as Nirankar, uh, Nirankar. Punjab. The Sikh revolted against the Mughals under the leadership of Banda Bahadur. Patna Sahib city was founded by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Dasam Granth was written by Guru Hargobind Singh Ji. Guru Arjan Dev assisted Khusro, the religious son of Jahangir. Guru Gobind Singh laid the foundation of which Panth? Khalsa Panth. Kila Mubarak monument is situated in Bhatinda, which is in Punjab. Amritsar was founded by Guru Ramdas Ji. Very important, Guru Ramdas Ji. आगे बढ़ेंगे और देखते हैं अब हम मराठा एम्पायर से क्वेश्चन को. The famous Maratha warrior Shivaji fought against whom? So fought against Aurangzeb. The third battle of Panipat, which was fought on 14th January 1761, was fought between the Maratha and Ahmad Shah Durrani. The treaty signed between Baji Rao Dwitiya, Maratha Peshwa of Pune, and British was the Treaty of Bashain 1802 में साइन हुआ था. The fort regarded as the first pillar of the Maratha Empire is Toran Fort, which is Prachandagarh Fort. Satara was annexed in 1848 through the doctrine of lapse. The tax rate of Sardesh Mukhi, that is land revenue tax in Maratha Empire, was 9 to 10%. Sardesh Mukhi was a tax collected during the reign of Shivaji. After the third Anglo-Maratha war, the Peshwa was sent away with pension to Bithur. The Treaty of Purandar was signed between Shivaji and Jai Singh on date for 11th June 1665. Next देखते हैं. The founder of Hindavi Swaraj in the medieval era was Chhatrapati Shivaji. The Treaty of Salbai 17th May 1782 was signed to settle the outcome of first Anglo-Maratha war 1775 to 82. Chhatrapati Shivaji and Soyarabai named their son Rajaram Bhosle I. Shivaji's son from Saibai was named Sambhaji. Ashtpradhan was a council of ministers in Maratha administration. Sumant was the foreign minister during the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Rajaram was the leader of Jat revolt against the Mughals, Aurangzeb. The last Peshwa of Maratha Empire was Bajirao Dutiya. Bajirao I or Bajirao Ballal was also known as the fighter Peshwa. 25th of the land revenue collected by Marathas in the Deccan was Chauth. Bajirao I or Bajirao Ballal was the son of Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a famous ruler of Maratha dynasty. The council of ministers during the time of Shivaji Maharaj was Ashtapradhan. Sambhaji, son of Shivaji, sat on the throne in 1680. To fight against Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb sent Jai Singh. The third battle of Panipat was fought in 1761. अब देखते विजयनगर एम्पायर से रिलेटेड. कृष्णदेव राय belonged to which dynasty? The Tuluva dynasty. The founder of Aravedu dynasty in ancient India was Tirumala Raya. The Sangam dynasty 1336 to 1485 of the Vijayanagar Empire was founded by two brothers Harihar I and Bukka Rai I. The ruins at Hampi were brought to light by engineer Colonel Colin Mackenzie. Krishnadev Raya founded a suburban township near Vijayanagar called Nagalpuram. In the popular tradition of Vijayanagara, the Deccan Sultans are termed as Asupati. Traveller Dorte Barbosa visited India in the early 16th century and was from Portugal. The Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1336. The Nagalapuram town was founded by Vijayanagar Empire King Krishnadev Rai. Dorte Barbosa, a traveller to India, was from Portugal. The Amara Nayakas were military commanders in the Vijayanagar Empire. The historical significance of Mahanavami Dibba is associated with Vijayanagara. Niccolo di Conti, an Italian merchant, visited the Vijayanagar kingdom. Krishnadev Raya, king of Vijayanagar from 1509 to 1529, belonged to Tuluva dynasty. The battle of Talikota कब हुआ था? 1556 AD में हुआ था. This was fought between the Vijayanagar Empire and Deccan Sultanate. The title Andhra Bhoj. The title Andhra Bhoj was given to King Krishnadev Rai. Chandragiri was one of the capitals of Vijayanagar Empire. गोल गुम्बज जो कि बीजापुर का है वो कर्नाटक में लोकेटेड है. द फाउंडेशन ऑफ पौंडीचेरी वाज लेड बाय फ्रांसुआ मार्टिन इन 1673. अब्दुल रजाक came to India during the medieval times from Persia. Alfonso the Albuquerque captured Goa with the help of some locals in 1510. The Vijayanagar Empire was founded in which century? So it was founded in 14th century by Harihar and Bukka. The capital of Vijayanagar Empire was Hampi. Mewar, Hadoti and Marwar are parts of the Rajasthan school of miniature painting. The dominant source of income in the Vijayanagar Empire was land revenue. The Vijayanagar kingdom was established by Harihar and Bukka in which year? In 1336. The Tuluva dynasty of Vijayanagar Empire was founded by Krishnadev Rai. This was founded by Krishnadev Rai. The Vijayanagara ruler who married his daughter to Firoz Shah Bahmani was Dev Rai I. The founder of Vijayanagar Empire were feudatories of the Kakatiya dynasty. Before the foundation of Vijayanagara Empire, Harihar and Bukka were the nobles of Kakatiya dynasty Warangal. Portuguese traveller Domingo Pires visited the Vijayanagar Empire in 16th century. Vijayanagar was founded on the banks of Tungabhadra river. Krishnadev Raya or Vijayanagar king defeated the Sultan of Bijapur in 1520. The last capital of Vijayanagar kings was Chandragiri. Chandragiri fort is located in Andhra Pradesh. Fernão Nunes was studied the institution of Nayaka in Vijayanagar Empire. He was a Portuguese chronicler. The Aravidu dynasty began to rule over the Vijayanagar Empire in which year? In 1570 year. The author of famous Telugu work Amukta Malyada was Krishnadevaraya. The founder of Saluva dynasty was Suluva Narasimhadevaraya, a diplomat who came from Herat, visited India and described 15th century Vijayanagar was Abdur Razzaq Samarkandi. Krishna Dev Raya founded a suburban township near Vijayanagaram called Nagalapuram. Krishna Dev Raya founded Nagalapuram in the name of his mother. Abdur Razzaq Samarkandi came to Vijayanagar during the reign of Dev Raya Dvitiya. Local communities of merchants were known as Kudirai Chetis in Vijayanagara Empire. The Amar Nayaka system was major political innovation of Vijayanagar Empire. Domingo Peace or Portuguese traveler visited Vijayanagar around 1520 during the reign of Krishna Dev Raya. किसके समय में आया था? कृष्ण देव राय के समय में आया था. Domingo Peace. The Nagalpuram near Vijayanagar was founded by Krishna Dev Raya. Allasani Pedanna was given the title of Andhra Kavita Pitama by Krishna Dev Raya. The Pattanukals, the silk weavers, migrated from Gujarat region to Vijayanagar state. The military commanders who ruled in the Vijayanagar Empire were Amar Nayakas. The Vijayanagar Empire was situated on the bank of Tungabhadra river. The two empires that fought for Raichur Doab were Vijayanagar and Bahmani. The Battle of Talikota 1565 में जो लड़ा गया था led to destruction of Vijayanagar Empire. The Battle of Raichur was fought in 1520. Probida style of architecture belongs to Vijayanagar Empire. Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire. Hampi was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. The Sangam dynasty established the kingdom of Vijayanagara. The Anantraj Sagar tank was built by Vijayanagar ruler. Krishna Tritiya of Manyakheta or Kheda belonged to Rashtrakuta dynasty. The founder of Cher dynasty was Uthyan Cheral Atham. The founder of Gurjar Pratihar dynasty was Nagbhat. The founder of Pal dynasty was Gopala, and the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty was Danti Durga. Amukta Malyada was written by Sri Krishna Dev Raya. अब आएंगे हम पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा सा wars and treaties के बारे में. Tipu Sultan, he was also considered as the Tiger of Mysore, was finally defeated at the hands of Lord Wellesley in 1799. Akbar defeated Maharana Pratap in Battle of Haldighati in 1576. The British emerged victorious in the siege of Arcot in 1751. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919. Assam was annexed by British East India Company through the Treaty of Yandabo in 1826. The Holkar dynasty signed the Treaty of Mandsaur with British in 1818. In the Battle of Swally 1620 में जो हुआ था, the British fought against the Portuguese. The Battle of Bedara of 1759 was fought between British and Dutch. The British annexed Punjab after defeating the Sikhs in the Anglo-Sikh War in 1848-49 में हुआ था. The second Anglo-Sikh War was fought between 1848-49. Sirajuddaula signed the Treaty of Alinagar with British, and the Black Hole incident took place in the year 1756 in Calcutta, जिसमें सिराजुद्दौला ने बहुत सारे अंग्रेजों को 200 से ज़्यादा अंग्रेजों को एक छोटे से रूम में बंद कर दिया था, जिसमें सफोकेशन से की वजह से बहुत सारे अंग्रेजों की जान चली गई थी. Ahmadullah Shah defeated Henry Lawrence in 1857 in the Battle of Chinhat. The number of wars fought by British with Mysore was total 4. चौथे में हारा था टीपू सुल्तान, फाइनली लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली के द्वारा. The Santhal revolt in 1856 was led by Sidhu and Kanu, and इसमें और भी दो लोग थे, चांद और भैरव भी थे. The British army under Ayr Coot defeated Hyder Ali at Porto Novo in July 1781. The East India Company East India Company was granted Diwani rights by Mughals in 1765. Lord Auckland, Maharaja Ranjit Singh and Shah Shuja signed the tripartite treaty in 1838 against Dost Muhammad Khan. Tipu Sultan was associated with Sri Rangpatnam. The Battle of Haldi Ghati of 1576 was fought between Man Singh I, who was the general of Akbar, and Maharana Pratap. The English forces in Battle of Buxar were led by Hector Munro. The treaty, which resulted in the demarcation of territories between Ranjit Singh and East India Company, was Amritsar Treaty. The Treaty of Rajpur Ghat of 1805 was concluded by East India Company with Holkars. With whom? With Holkars. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? 1764 में, जिसमें combined forces को हरा दिया था सर हेक्टर मुनरो की सेना ने. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. सिराजुद्दौला एक तरफ और क्लाइव दूसरी तरफ. The Battle of Aliwal 1846 was fought between the British and Sikh forces. The Battle of Bondi was French forces and British forces में लड़ा गया था. This was fought between French and British. The Treaty of Sri Rangpatnam 1792 में जो हुआ था, this was signed between Charles Cornwallis and Tipu Sultan. Puducherry was captured by Dutch in which year? 1693 में capture किया गया था. The British annexed Punjab after defeating the Sikhs in 1849. After the defeat of Tipu Sultan at the Battle of Sri Rangpatnam, Mysore came under the rule of Bodiyar dynasty. The Hathi Gumpa or the Elephant Cave inscription in Udaygiri Hills, Odisha was inscribed by Kharvela जो शासक था. The Treaty of Sugoli was signed in 1816. This was signed between the British and Gurkha forces. The Battle of Plassey was fought on 23 June 1757 between the mighty British and Sirajuddaulah. The first Anglo-Maratha War was concluded by Treaty of Salbai of 1782. Marathwada Marthanda Varma of Travancore Kingdom defeated the Dutch in the Battle of Kolachel in 1741. Baji Rao Dutiya signed the Treaty of Bashain on 31st December 1802. Lachit Borphukan was known for his leadership in the Battle of Saraighat. The first Anglo-Burmese War was concluded with the Treaty of Yandabo. Katak, Balasore, an area of west of the Wardha River, were acquired by British under the Treaty of Devgaon in 1803. The Treaty of Schonbrunn 1809 was signed after the Battle of Wagram. The Treaty of Yandabo was signed in 1826. ये बर्मा वाला. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between Tipu Sultan and the British East India Company 1784 में. The Treaty of Allahabad 1765 में. This was signed after the Battle of Buxar. इसमें बोला गया कि जो नवाब रहेगा वो पेंशनर हो जाएगा, 26 लाख रुपए के पेंशन पे एक साल में दिया जाएगा. The Battle of Mudki was fought on 18th December 1845. The Battle of Porto Novo was fought on 1st July 1781. The Battle of Sakar Kheda was fought on the 11th October 1724. The Battle of Bedara was fought on 25th November 1759. The first Carnatic War ended in 1748 with the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Under the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, Madras was handed back to English. Then Kashmir was sold to Dogra dynasty of Jammu in 1850 under the Treaty of Amritsar. French possessions in India were restored after the Battle of Bondy-Was of 1760 by the Treaty of Paris in 1763. The 7 Years' War in 18th century was fought between Britain and France. The Iranian ruler Nadir Shah attacked Delhi in 1739. The Battle of Karnal 1739 was fought between Nadir Shah and Muhammad Shah. The British East India Company in the Battle of Buxar was led by Hector Munro. The Battle of Plassey took place on 23rd June 1757. The Battle of Haldi Ghati 1576 was fought between Maharana Pratap and Akbar. Muhammad Gori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the Second Battle of Tarain in 1192. On the soil of India, the first major and decisive victory for the East India Company was Battle of Plassey. The first Anglo-Maratha War of 1772 was fought between the British East India Company and Maratha Empire. The Battle of Tiruvannamalai, that is of 1767, was fought between Mysore, Hyder Ali, and the East India Company. The Anglo-Maratha War was resulted in the merger of Peshwa's territories with the Bombay Presidency. Was the third Anglo-Maratha War, 1817 to 1819. Mir Qasim's name is associated with the Battle of Buxar, 1764. Mir Qasim. The Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by signing the Treaty of Mangalore 1784 में. The Treaty of Srirangapatnam was signed between Tipu Sultan and Karnwali 1792 में. The East India Company gained control over Bengal by defeating Nawab Sirajuddaulah in the Battle of Plassey 1757 में. The Treaty of Surat was signed between the British and the Raghunath Rao. The Battle of Buxar was fought simple as 1764 में. The British East India Company obtained the Diwani rights. वही इलाहाबाद के टीटी के बाद जो है शाह आलम द्वितीय से साइन किया था. बंगाल बिहार उड़ीसा का दीवानी ले लिया था. शाह आलम ग्रांटेड दीवानी ऑफ बंगाल दैट इज रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन टू ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी 1765. द बैटल ऑफ चंदेरी जो कि 1528 में लड़ा गया था. दिस वाज फॉट बिटवीन मेदिनी राय एंड बाबर. द बैटल ऑफ घाघरा वाज फॉट इन 1529 बिटवीन बाबर एंड अफगान फोर्सेस. द मुगल एम्पायर ड्यूरिंग द थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत वाज शाह आलम द्वितीय. Ahmad Shah Durrani defeated the Marathas in the third battle of Panipat in 1761. The second battle of Panipat जो कि 1556 में लड़ा गया था. This was fought between Akbar and Hemu. Alamgir द्वितीय was the Mughal emperor at the time of battle of Plassey 1757 की बात है. The tripartite struggle was fought for the control over Kannauj जिसमें गुर्जर प्रतिहारा पाला और राष्ट्रकूटा थे. The tripartite स्ट्रगल वही बात आ गई. प्रतिहारा राष्ट्रकूटा एंड पाल डायनेस्टी के बीच में हुआ था. पृथ्वीराजा तृतीय डिफीटेड मोहम्मद गोरी जो कि 1191 में हरा दिया था और 1192 में हार गए थे बेचारे. द ट्रीटी ऑफ पुरंदर 1665 में दिस वाज साइंड बिटवीन शिवाजी एंड जय सिंह वन. द ट्रीटी ऑफ सलबाई 1782 में दिस वाज साइंड बिटवीन ब्रिटिश एंड मुगल एंड मराठा फोर्सेस. द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी 1757 वाला दिस वाज फॉट बिटवीन ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंड सिराजुद्दौला. In the Battle of Plassey, the East India Company was led by Robert Clive. Robert Clive led किया था. The Battle of Tukaroy was fought in 1575. The Battle of Hydaspes 326 BC में अलेक्जेंडर एक तरफ था दूसरी तरफ पोरस था. The Battle of Pulalur was fought between the Pulkeshi द्वितीय and महेंद्र वर्मन. The Battle of खटोली जो है लड़ा गया था राणा सांघा और इब्राहिम लोदी के बीच में. द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी डिफीटेड द फ्रेंच फोर्सेस इन द बैटल ऑफ बॉन्डी पास जो 1760 में लड़ा गया था. इन द बैटल ऑफ बॉन्डी पास द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस वर लेड बाय सर आयरकूट. द बैटल ऑफ अदयार वाज फॉट इन 1746. द बैटल ऑफ अंबूर जो है लड़ा गया था 1749 में. शाह आलम ने ग्रांट किया था दीवानी राइट्स आफ्टर द डिफीट इन बैटल ऑफ बक्सर 1764 में. इन द बैटल ऑफ अलीवाल जो कि 1846 में लड़ा गया था ब्रिटिश वेयर लेड बाय सर हैरी स्मिथ. द ब्रिटिश डिफीटेड सिख फोर्सेस इन द बैटल ऑफ अलीवाल. इन द बैटल ऑफ अलीवाल द सिख फोर्सेस वेर लेड बाय रणजोध सिंह मंजीथिया. द ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर जो कि 1846 में लड़ा गया था दिस वाज साइंड बिटवीन दुलीप सिंह एंड ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. द फाउंडर ऑफ सिखिज्म was गुरु नानक देव. सिराजुद्दौला जो था he was become the नवाब ऑफ बंगाल 1756 में. अलीवर्दी खान की देहांत हुई थी 1756 में अगेन. इन द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी रॉबर्ट क्लाइव जो है उसने लीड किया था कंपनीज की आर्मी को अगेंस्ट सिराजुद्दौला. In the 18th century, the British fought the four wars with Mysore rulers. टोटल 4 लड़ाई हुई. 1799 में फाइनल हारा था टीपू सुल्तान. टीपू सुल्तान died in 1799 defending his capital Srirangapatnam. The summer palace of Tipu Sultan is also known as Daulat Bagh. The treaty signed between Lord Wellesley and Bajirao Dwitiya in 1802 was Treaty of Bashan. On 26 June 1836, a treaty was signed between British and Shah Shuja and Maharaja Ranjit Singh, known as the Tripartite Treaty. Tripartite Treaty. The Battle of Sarangpur was fought in 1437 AD. The Battle of Sumual was fought in 1544. The Battle of Saheba was fought in 1541-42. The Battle of गैग्रॉन वाज फॉट इन 1980. तो यहाँ पे हमारा मिडीवल पीरियड पूरा कंप्लीट हुआ दोस्तों. आई होप आपको पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में. बाय बाय.